Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Dealers, here to bring a daily market bias video for Wednesday, February 19th. It's approximately 5:45 a.m. or a quarter to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trade mainly high with the exception of the Shanghai Exchange, which is down fractionally at this particular point. We will take a look at currently right now in Europe. All of Europe is trading to the upside. And if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. Bonds are trading higher. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, however, is all pointing higher as well. Gold is trading higher. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we actually have quite a bit. In fact, we got pretty much a mini tsunami, if you will, of economic news that's going to be out today. At 8:30 a.m. we have building permits, we have core PPI, we have an FOMC member speaking at 8:30, we have housing starts at 8:30, we have two FOMC members speaking in the afternoon, one at 11:45, the other one at 1:30, and then to top it all off we have the FOMC meeting minutes, which is out at 2 p.m. this afternoon. All these are major, all these are pretty much proven market movers, and all this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias is what we're seeing is that the phenomena where everything is pointing up, and whenever we see that, there's no market correlation whatsoever. Whenever you have a situation where everything is pointing up, or conversely, everything is pointing lower, there is no correlation. Hence the neutral bias. Crude oil is trading higher. Gold is trading higher. The indices themselves are pointing higher. The U.S. dollar is now pointing higher. Up until a little while ago it was lower. It's now higher. Bonds are trading higher. In theory, what we ought to be seeing is we ought to be seeing the indices pointing lower. They are not. They're pointing higher. This is not a correlated market, hence our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of if trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.